Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video, I will show you how you can install Filza File Manager on iOS 18 for your devices which are jailbroken with the Palera1n jailbreak. The method shown in this video is completely free, and yes, it works with the rootless Palera1n jailbreak as well, and also with the rootful. So as you can see, I have this iPad 7 here which is currently jailbroken on iOS 18. You can see the version right here also. Now to install Filza, you can simply head to sources and make sure alligate.space repo is added, and from this repo go to all categories and install alligate. Also along with alligate, go to search and search for preference loader and install it as well. You can get the Filza File Manager from the Big Boss repo as well, but to get the latest available version, I recommend installing or adding this source called tgsoftware.com/cydia. To add a source, you can simply hit this plus button above, simply type this source here and then hit add source. So I have already added this source. I will go to all categories and from there install Filza File Manager 64-bit. Get queued and confirm. Alright, hit done. And you will see Filza here on your home screen. Now you can open it. Now as you can see, I am using this rootless jailbreak. So the only con will be that you won't be able to create a file or a folder inside root. You can see this slash here. For example, I will hit edit. You can see it is grayed out. But if you are jailbroken rootful, you will have the ability to create a new file or a new folder here in the root also. But with rootless, you can create file or a folder anywhere. So I have moved to var. I will hit edit. You can see I can now create file, folder or symbolic link. So I will simply test with the file. You can see it works, and also I will test it with a folder. So new folder, done. You can see it works. You can see that the directories are properly populated. There are no issues whatsoever using Filza applications. Also, this method should work on all versions of iOS 18 as long as you are jailbroken. That's all for this video, guys. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care of yourself.